Hey, we're here at Summerland Key Cove Airport, riding our bicycles. There's Crystal on her Trek Verve 3. I'm on my Pedigo 28-inch step-through city commuter, and we're clipping right along at 14 miles an hour. We're gonna go check out some aircraft. Got one place for sale here. If I hit the lotto, Crystal said she'd buy it. Wait, no, that's on the other side. Never mind. Now here's an airplane I always wanted to look up because it never goes anywhere. N1611Y. It's got about to have 3 flat tires. '73 DC had a run-up problem. I love the Hawk XB 736NQ. Cherokee 6 is even cooler. Not sure what 431 DS is. Diamond. And then here's another one, Ramos. I know what them are. That's a light sport. And this one's pretty cool here. Well, as far as light sports go, it's pretty cool. Ramos. That's what Patrick was flying. I don't think he's flying much anymore. Well, we won't mention on video. There's a nice big boat. Oh, we seen that yesterday. That was yesterday. Okay, we're at the far end of the airport. There was an airplane flying earlier today. Oh, maybe it's that one there that I heard, because them are kind of loud, actually. There's the one we get if we hit the lotto. Hang it. Ready to build. Man, I like this airplane. And if I hit the lotto, I'll get one of these and we'll go 200 miles an hour.
Yeah. Woo, that's a hard wind.
Beautiful plane, man, yeah. 22 GTS. Freaking awesome. Okay, if you see any more cool airplanes, let me know. I always like this one too. 8111T. November 8111 Tango. was the end of the airport. I forgot to kill the video. You can still have an airplane on this street because it's written into the bylaws, but nobody does. Every once in a blue moon you'll see an airplane down here, but you can't taxi. I guess you could if you wanted to, but they tow them down here.